Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and on this video we are going to discuss pending order. But before that, let's talk about market orders generally. My name is Emmanuel Odogwu. Okay, now I have other videos on the channel. If you are a new trader, you can check out how to place your first trade on the market. You can also check out how to set stop loss, take profit. I have other videos on this channel, but for this video I'm looking at pending orders. Let's get started. Now, before talking about pending order, we want to look at market orders. Market orders is just you placing an order on the market, and that order can either be a buy order on the market in order to make profit, or a sell order on the market in order to also make profit. Of course, you buy on the market when you envisage that the price is going up. Don't forget that. You also sell on the market when you envisage the price is about to go down. All right. Now there are two major type of market orders. Number one is the main order, and then number two is the sub order. Main orders are the base order upon which orders on the market can stand upon. Then the sub orders are orders that cannot stand on its own, like a stop loss order or a take profit order. They are categorized under sub orders. They cannot stand on their own. But for this video, we are focusing on the main order. Now, talking about the main orders on the market, there are two types again. Number one is the market execution. The market execution, it is you placing a trade at the current market price. It's also known as instant execution because once you place the trade, it will be executed instantly at the market price. At the market price. At the market price. Okay. Now, the second one here is the pending order. Of course, we're focusing on this pending orders. Okay. Now, pending order is you executing a trade at a different price. So it is different from the market execution here. Okay. Or it's different from the instant execution because it's not happening instantly, or you're not executing it at the current market price. You want to execute an order at your own preferred price. So you must have done your analysis, right, to know the exact point you choose to enter. So at that point, the market price must have not gotten there. So you are just like, it's like setting you a trap on the market, saying, I prefer to buy at this particular price, or I prefer to sell at a particular price. Maybe the market price has not gotten there. So you can place your order there, it's called pending order, so that anytime the market price move towards that level, it will trigger your trade, and then you are now the trade. Okay, now talking about pending order, let's look at the types of pending order. Basically there are four types of pending order. Okay, but there is something you want to bear in mind to make it very simple for you to understand pending order. Pending order is you placing a trade at a price that is different from the market price. Take note, the price must be different from the market price. So if it must be different from the market price, and the market price is the ask and the bid price that is always moving up and down on the chart. Therefore, if you're going to place a buy order that is different from the market price, it means it has to be either above the market price or below the market price. If you're going to place a sell order that has to be different from the market price, it has to be above the market price or below the market price. From these things I've explained, you will notice that I've mentioned four different scenarios. So therefore, there are four types of pending orders. Let's look at it. The first one is called the buy stop pending order. So buy stop pending order is very simple. It is simply placing a buy pending order above the current market price. Very simple. Please, the current market price is the CMP. Okay, so you prefer to buy at a price that is above where the market is currently trading. Therefore, you have to use a pending order, and that pending order type has to be a buy stop pending order. Okay, now the second one is the buy limit pending order. So buy limit pending order is simple. It is simply placing a buy pending order located below the current market price. Okay, so you wish to buy on the market, right? You wish to buy on the market, but the market is currently trading at a very high price, and generally traders will love to buy at a lower price. So you want to wait until the price comes lower. In doing so, you have to use a buy limit penny order. So with buy limit penny order, you're placing the penny order at a price that is lower than the market price, so that anytime the market price comes cheaper, goes lower, it will trigger or it will pick your pending order, and of course you are now on the trade. And of course you can also set stop loss and take profit, okay, with this type of pending order. Now the third one is on the sell side. Now the first one we have here is the sell stop pending order. On the sell stop pending order, it is you simply placing a sell pending order located below the current market price. Okay, fine. You see that the market is going down, or you have analyzed that the market is going down, and you simply want to get into that trade. Okay, so but you want to get into the trade after the price must have probably broken a known support, because you are not to sell on the support. So you are to use a sell stop penny order and place the trade, but the location has to be below. Please take note. Number one is a sell stop is a sell, then it has to be where? Below. Take note. Buy stop is a buy, and it has to be where? Above. Take note. Buy limit is a buy, it has to be where? Below. Take note. Sell stop is a sell, and it has to be where? Below. All right. Now the last one is a sell limit pending order. The sell limit pending order is you placing a sell trade, sell pending order. The location is above the current market price. Okay, fine. You see that you have analyzed that the market is going down, or is the market will go down, but it has to touch a particular resistance before it will turn and start going down. Okay, so you can go up to that resistance and wait for it. Okay, that means you are placing a sell limit, or you're placing the sell order at a price that is, take note, it has to be above the current market price. So whenever the current market price move up and touches the trade, it will trigger it, and then the market start going down, then you start making profit. To make it very simple, you can, while watching this video, you can even screenshot this particular page and always refer to it while you practice. Okay, now we're going to jump into the chart so that I can start showing you how to practically execute all of these pending orders. Let's dive right into it. So right now we're on the chart. As you can see, this is the chart of the European Euro versus the Great British Pounds. From what you can see right here, you can see that this price is on an upward movement here, or upward trend here, right? Okay. Now, let me zoom into the chart. Now, before you use a pending order, you must have done your analysis. That's why I'm just showing you that the price is on an upward trend, as you can see there. But from what we can see, this price made a high here. As you can see, it was making higher high, higher high, higher high, also making higher low, which is the characteristics of an upward trend. But from what we can see here, it made a high and it made an equal high. So we can place a line there, a horizontal line there, right? So that is this can be qualified as an equal high. Okay, an equal high can be seen as a double top. Okay, all right. Now, from what we have here, we can see that the price has created for itself a support here and for itself a resistance here. Okay, so remember, this market, or this Euro GBP, is on an upward trend. Okay, so we can use our pending order in this way. Since we have done our analysis, this is a resistance for now, and the market is on an upward momentum for now. Okay, so we can say if the market price right now can trade above this resistance here, I'm willing to take a buy to continue the upward trend. Did you get it? If the market price right now can move up and breaks this resistance line or resistance zone I've done here, I'm willing to take a buy. That means I wish to buy somewhere above this level, So to make it very simple, which of the price do we have above that level? This is the price here. So I wish to buy at 0. You can see I'm moving my mouse pointer on the price, 0.86850. Okay, now this particular analysis is on the laptop. Okay, I have another one for the phone. Okay, so you can check through. Now, I wish to place a buy penny order at 0.86850. Okay. Now, since I've called it a buy penny order, it has to be either a buy stop or a buy limit. Okay, buy stop or buy limit. But guess what? This price I've picked is above the market price. The market is currently trading at 0.86360. But this price I want to place my penny order at is 0.86850. And you remember, the buy stop is placing a buy penny order at a price that is above the current market price. So this price is above. So simply we are going to use a buy stop. Okay. Then also I'm going to put a stop loss and a take profit so that you can see how we can achieve all of that on the laptop. Okay. So please watch closely. So you're going to click your new order here. Then you're going to furnish the lot size you want to use. So on this trade, I want to use 0.05 there. Okay, remember you have to use the lot size that is commensurate with your account size. Okay, so 0.05 there. I wish to place a trade there. Then under this type here, you click on this button and then you change it to pending order. Now these are the 4 types of pending order I've explained earlier: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. For this particular example, we're going to use a buy stop, okay, because the price we choose is above the current market price. Don't forget. So this is a place you will type in that price, this price precisely. I wish to buy at 0.86850. So you type it here, 0.86850. That's why you type it. So you can just click a place and then automatically you will see the line, right, that will appear exactly at this price. Okay, so that is the that becomes the entry price if the market price gets there. Okay, now from what we have done here is 0.86850. Remember, it's a buy trade, right? So if it's a buy trade or a buy penny order, okay, the take profit has to be a price that is higher than the entry price. So this price serves as the entry price. So let's do our take profit once. So our take profit 0.86. Let's do a, this is 85 here, right? So let's do a 10 pips take profit. So 10 pips take profit, 85 going up by 10 pips becomes 95. I'm sure you understand that. So take profit has to be a price. So this is 10 pips higher than this price. That means my take profit is 10 pips. Then let's do a stop loss that is also 10 pips. Okay, so 85 going down by 10 pips becomes 75. So this makes it very simple. So please, this is what I've said: the take profit, a stop loss, and of course the price for the pending order. Okay, so I'll just click on place here. Once I click on place, you see all these lines. You will see the entry price, right? You will see the take profit and of course the stop loss. So I click on place here. So fantastic. So this is the pending order. So this is the price I wish to start a buy, right? So that means if this price gets up here to trigger my buy, then just this short distance is my take profit distance. This short distance is my stop loss distance. Okay. Okay, so I'll just click on OK. So this is how I've been able to set a pending order called buy stop. As you can see, it has a 0.05 lot size with it. Please, once this price move up and touch this green dashed line, which is the supposed entry price, it will change from being called a buy stop to now become a buy. And of course with the take profit in place and the stop loss in place. Now that's for the buy. Let's also look at the one for the buy limit. Okay, so for buy limit, the same thing. I want to actually buy, but I want to buy at a lower price, a cheaper price. That means the price I want to use has to be lower than my entry price. We have seen this place, we have seen this level to be a mini support. It was a resistance here, turn support, and what we know about support is that price can get to the support The support can hold the price, right? And the price can bounce off the support and then start going up. So once it is bouncing off the support, it can trigger our buy trade. So this is the market price right here. So I wish to buy at a lower price, a cheaper price. Guess what? Everybody wants to buy at a lower price. So I wish to buy somewhere around here. So I prefer this price here to make it very simple, 0.86180. So I wish to buy at 0.86180. If you notice, this price is lower than the market price. This is the market price. So since it's lower than the market price and I wish to buy, that becomes a buy limit. So quickly, I'll click on new order here. Then I'll put in the lot size. Now let me change the lot size to 0.03. Then I'll click this type here and I'll change it to pending order there. Then at the price here, I'll type this price 0.86180. So 0.86180. So I wish to buy Euro GBP if the market price moves to this price. What if the market price never comes down to this price? Then my penny order will remain there until the market price eventually comes here. But if the market price does not come here, then I have the option to delete it myself, or I can set when it will expire. So there's an option to set when it will expire. Okay, so I can click on when it will expire, and then I can select the date of when it will expire. Okay, so let's say I need this. I'm setting this on the 5th. So I need this to expire in 2 days time, say on Wednesday. So if all of these things have analyzed, it not happen from this 5th to the 7th, it should automatically delete it for me. So that's the setting there. Okay, now let's do the stop loss. So I can just copy the price here. And I'll paste it here. Okay, now you can see for now it's the same price. Okay, but the take profit price has to be higher than the entry price because it's a buy trade. So this is 18. Let's say it has to be higher by 20 pips. 18 plus 20, it becomes 38. So I want to use a take profit of 20 pips. So I'll write 38 here. Okay. So if you don't really understand how to set take profit and stop loss, which is categorized under sub orders, you can check my other videos. Okay, for it. Now that is this is higher than this by 20 pips. Then let me do the stop loss. Let me do a stop loss of 10 pips. Okay. So a stop loss of 10 pips. This is 18 going down by 10 pips. It becomes 0.8, right? 0.8. Okay, so this is an entry at this level to buy because it's lower than the market price. This is a buy limit. Okay, and this is take profit of 20 pips. This is stop loss of 10 pips. That is a 2:1. That means you're making more than what you're risking. So I'll just click on place and automatically you see all the lines appearing on the chart. Now most people do have this question, Emmanuel, can you place both of the pending orders or all of the pending orders on the same chart? Yes, why not, if your analysis permits that. Now from what I've done, you can see that up here is a buy stop we did earlier, and down here is a buy limit. So this simply means if the market price comes down, this is the market price right here. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, it's bigger now. So this simply means if the market price if this market price moves down to this level, right, it should trigger my buy trade, right? So it will change from becoming being a buy limit to now be called buy. So this is the stop loss for the trade. So this is the take profit. That means I am saying I wish this market price, let me draw it for you, will come down like this. It will trigger my buy, even though I am not on my system, I'm doing something else. It can trigger my buy like that, then pick me on the trade, then move up from here and hit my take profit. Now this is what we imagine to happen. Okay, now this is for buy stop and this is for buy limit. Okay, please, this is a video. Let's say you don't really understand it, you can pause the video, go back, play it again. Okay, and make sure you understand it for yourself. Now let's look at the sell stop and the sell limit. Let me do that on the Great British Pounds versus the United States dollars. Okay, from what we can see here, this is H1 chart. We can see that GPUSD is on the steady downward trend here. Okay, and I have this software that shows me the support and resistance here, right? The weak one, the untested one, the turncoat resistance, all of that. As you can see, the price has been following and obeying these different levels. For example, the price got here, right? This place that was a support here, turn resistance, even though untested, you can see that the price touch here, and from here it's moving down. Okay, now, but from what we can see here, this is a support here, right? But it has been turned a resistance because the price is now below it. So we can say, to continue this downward trend, right? I wish to sell. Remember, your advice to always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. That means if the trend is going down, you want to also sell. Look for opportunity to sell. If the trend is going up, you look for opportunity to buy. Don't forget that. That's how to make money, make enough money on this market. Okay. Now, this trend is going down. I wish to sell. Therefore, I can even do something like this. As you can see, this is called a channel. So this trend, this market has been following this channel. As you can see, gradually, it has been going down. Okay, so obviously your directional bias on this should be to sell. So I wish to sell, but I don't want to sell at the price right now, because we are told the best time to sell is to sell at a high price. Okay, and that high price is at the resistance level. So this is a resistance, even though a mini resistance up here. So I wish to sell at this price. The market price has not gotten there. But Emmanuel, I wish to sell at this price. Therefore, you have to use a pending order. Okay. So somewhere here, I wish to sell somewhere here. So I can use this crosshair here and place it somewhere here. So what is the price at this level? This level, you can see this level. See this level at the far right. So the price here is 1.15030. 1.15030. So you want to write it down. I wish to sell at 1. I wish to sell. I'm also writing mine down at 1.15030. Okay. So if I should sell there, then the market touches the sell pending order and start going down. I wish to take my profit somewhere here, 1.14507. Okay, so I wish to sell up here, right? And I wish to take profit down here. So I can use this as my stop loss. So let's say my stop, if this doesn't happen, to protect me on this trade, I wish to use this as my stop loss. So stop loss to be 1.15424. So this is stop loss and this is take profit. From what I have done, you can see that the take profit price is a price that is lower than the entry price. The stop loss price is a price that is higher than the entry price. Okay. All right. So 1415. Okay. So this is like 50 pips. This is somewhere around 50 pips to 50 pips. Okay. So let's do it now. Let's make it more practical. So I'll click on new order here. After click on new order, I wish to enter this trade with 0.04 on this. So I'll click on this type here and I'll choose pending order. Remember, this price we picked is higher. This price of 1.15030, somewhere around here, 1.15030, that price is higher than my entry price. Therefore, I have to use a sell limit here. So I'm using the sell limit here. So I'll type in the price here, 1.15. So look here, please. This penny order has not been triggered. This other ones for the buy, you can see that it's flashing green here. This green means the market price is gradually getting close to the price I choose for my pending order. That means it's about to be triggered. Okay, let's come back to our sell limit here. 1.15030. So I wish to sell at this price, right, to continue the downward trend on GPUSD. Okay, then my take profit, which I've caught earlier, let's type it now, 1.14507. Okay, so I wish to use this as my take profit. You can see that this price is lower than this other price. You can see that this price is lower than this price. Then this the stop loss here, which I've caught earlier, is 1.15 1.15424. Okay, 1.15424. So this is my take profits, this is my stop loss, this is my uh, entry. I'll just click on place. So you see all of this line automatically displayed on my chart. So from here, from these two crosshair, I can measure it. So from my entry, from the stop loss down to where I enter the trade, can you see it's about 40, let's call it 40, it's about 40 pips there. So 40 pips is my stop loss there for this. So that means I'm willing to risk 40 pips on this trade. Then from the entry to my take profit is about 50 pips, 51 pips. So this is a good business. Okay, I'm risking less to make more. Okay, so that means please look here. As you can see, this is sell limit 0.04. So if this market price move up and move up and gets to this green dashed line, which is my supposed entry price, it will trigger it to change from being a sell limit to now become a sell. So that means I am now officially on a sell. Waiting for the market to go down. Of course, it's on a downward trend, so I'm well covered. Now this is for the sell limits, remaining the sell stop. Okay, remaining the sell stop. Now let's do the sell stop on a different chart. Let's do the sell stop on a different chart. Let me open another random chart here, USD We're almost rounding up, please. Sell stop. So let me apply one of my two here. Okay. Okay, this is going up. I wish to use so with sell stop, you want to sell at a lower price, right? At a price that is lower than the market price. That means you wish the market price to continue to go down. But all of these charts have been opening, they are all long and facing up. Uh -oh. All right. Okay, so from what I have here, you can see that this steadily this price has been going down, right? So this is a more recent one. So I wish to continue this sell. Volume has been going down. I wish to continue this sell if the market price can trade below 0.67666. So okay, I wish to trade below 0.67646. So I wish to sell if the price can go below 0.67646. So I'll just click new order here and then put in the lot size. I'm doing it with 0.05. I'll click my type. This is the fourth time we're doing this. So by now it should have been getting more easier for you. Okay, so I'm using a sell stop here and I wish to sell at 0.67646. So that means if the market price goes down again and touches this price, you should pick a sell for me to continue the downward movement there. Okay, then I wish to use let's do a stop loss and a take profit. So a take profit has to be a price that is lower. So this is 64. So let's see 64 going lower by 10 by 64 going lower by 20 pips. Let's use 20 pips. Okay, so it becomes 44. Right, all right, so that's my 20 pips take profit there. Then stop loss, it has to be a price that is higher than the entry price. So 64 going higher, let's also use 20 pips. That becomes 84. It makes it very simple. Okay, so I'll just click on place. So automatically you see all of the lines on the chart. Okay, this is the entry price, right? So I wish to do a sell, so you can see clearly that this is the market price, this highlighted price here. So you can see this is where I placed the pending order here for sell stop. That means I am saying if the market price can come down, 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 and touches this uh, price here, it will trigger for me my sell. Okay, then going further lower, it will hit my take profit. Please, you want to take note, for those of you using laptop, once you place a penny order, the penny orders is not yet on the market. That means you are at liberty to later come and delete it, because it's just like a trap on the market. So anytime this market price gets to so price, pick a trade for me. It's not that you already, if you want to go direct into the market and want the market to start running immediately, then you have to use market execution or instant execution. But this penny order, we are setting a trap. We are saying if the market price gets to so price, as we are, so you should pick our trade first. Therefore, your orders will appear below your balance tab here. To appear below, that means it is not yet on the trade. As you can see, this is the order number, this is the time and date, this is the type of the pending order, this is the sizes I use, this is the instrument, this is the market price I've chosen, right, to be my preferred entry price, and this is the stop loss, this is take profit. As you can see, there is a stop loss, there is a take profit. Please don't place a penny order without putting stop loss and take profit. Okay, so because that's the way to protect your account and also to protect your profits. And this is the market price right now. So this is the market price. So we are saying if this market price can move up or down to touch this my entry prices, it will trigger the trade for me. Okay, traders, thank you very much. I was thinking it's going to be a short one, but it took some time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, you want to give this video a thumbs up, right? You want to follow all of my social media handles. Okay, so this is Emmanuel Odogwu signing out for now. Thank you. See you on another video.